stuck. You hear me? Your missile headed straight for the city. How long? Wait a minute.
Jarvis, put everything we got into the thrusters. Stock, these things are still coming.
I got a nuke coming in. It's gonna blow in less than a minute. And I know just where to put it.
Stark, you know that's a one-way trip.
Save the rest for the turn, Jay.
So, feel like trying this pulse?
Might as well.
Сколько бы я не просил, но ты же знала, что меня теряла. Я босиком по стеклам бегал так упрямо. Если бы не твой милый голосок, я бы упал, сделав последний вздох. И звезды мирно